Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there are three patterns forming which I've already explained you in my previous videos. See, first pattern, second, third. These are the three small patterns are forming. This is a 2-year pattern, 8-month pattern and 5-month pattern. Okay, and this was the pattern which has formed from 2012 2020, which you have to understand because these similar patterns are forming, and whenever they are making high, a fall is coming because profit booking is coming at this particular level. Now it is trading above this particular level, that means it is an all-time high. All-time high is at a level of around 2164. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, because this level we have seen after a very long time. You can see this is an all-time high, so it's been 20-30 years we have not seen this level, and chances can be high gold price can move further upside. In order to sustain and see that whether the gold price, see one of some of the factors that the price of gold depends. So let's see how the dollar index is moving. That will help you understand how the price of gold can move further. See, there is a 2-3 things that you have to understand looking at the gold pattern. That U pattern is forming an opposite U pattern. After that there is a fall. So chances can be high that if the price started falling below a level of 102.6, we will see there will be a further fall. Okay, second thing is that if the price started sustaining above a level of 103.5, then a further upside movement we can see. These two patterns you have to understand, and once started going out this level, we will see a further upside in the dollar index, which will in turn create the natural price a further fall down. Okay, so and if you look at the overall trend also, that it was moving in this zone. So dollar index, as soon as the price sustain above a level of 103.5, it will cross above a level of 104 and then a further upside towards a level of 105 we can see. So probability of further low we can see towards for the gold. Okay, if the price of dollar index moves. Okay, but if the price, see now chances are very high dollar index can move further low because this pattern is supporting it, and chances of going below a level of 102.5 we can see, and from there a level of 101.7, and then till the time it is not going below a level of 100.5, we will not see. This trend will support till we can see till this, and then a bounce back we can see at a level of around 100, but chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, now when I'm saying that dollar index is moving down, then automatically natural gas price can move further upside because there is an inversely related, and this is one of the factor I'm saying. Whatever I'm saying is not 100% right or 100% wrong. You can just take analysis and decide as per you. Okay, so now look at this particular chart. The price of gold is trading at a level of $2161.7. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that. See, the price, it is trading at a level of $2161.77. It has already made a high from 2164. So chances are very high it is going towards that level, and once the price starts sustaining over 2164, a further upside we can see towards a level of 2168 and then further upside. I would suggest that you keep trailing with a $3 zone. That means if it goes above a level of 2168, close of 2165, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, this you have to look at this particular trend. Okay, because we are at a all-time high, so chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, but there will be a volatility. So you, in order to sustain that volatility, try to trail your SM so that you can save your profit. So we can see a level of 2170 also, 2180 also, and a level of 2200 also. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart, because the price is all on all-time high. But as I've already told you that, see, if you look at the 15-minute chart, you will understand that the price made a high from 2164, so chances of going further upside we can see in the price of gold. But as I've already told you, always try to set your SL. If you're setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you're trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you have to do. If you're doing these two things, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because see, whatever anybody saying, news, everything, you should rely on your capital, because it is your capital. So you have to always try to set your SL, it will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you should be doing. So let's see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, then the next support we can see coming at a level of, on a weekly basis it is coming at a level of 2146. Okay, then a further fall we can see coming at a level of around 2093. This is the weekly I'm telling you. I will tell you 15 minutes chart also. After 2093 we can see a level of 2089, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $2080. And if that level move further down, then we can see it will fall further down towards a level of 2076 and to a level of 2066. 2076 after level we can see 207, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 2054, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2033, and then further fall. Okay, if the price fall below 2040, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. But as soon as the price started falling below 2033, we will see a level of 2028, and then to a level of around $2017, and then to a level of 2014. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances as soon as the price started falling below 2084, a further fall we can see, and probability of moving further down we can see, because this is what we have seen in the past. Okay.